morning, children. In the last class, we have discussed about a construction of similar triangle having the scale factor with a proper fraction. Today, we will discuss with an improper fraction. If there is the presence of improper fraction, how to make it. Okay. So, one main thing you have to keep in mind is, so the similar triangle what we are constructing, that will be bigger than the triangle that is given with the measurements. Okay, this is the main thing you have to keep in mind. Getting? Now let us start. First, we will take an example problem, then we will discuss. So construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. And then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Check the fraction here. 7 by 5 is an improper fraction, isn't it? Okay. So with the measures, what the measures they are given, just one rough diagram you make it out. So 5, 6, 7, the base you make it as a bigger side. Okay, remaining sides. Let us start constructing, children. So, what is the base here? 7 cm. So, mark down 7 cm in a scale. Okay. So, draw a line there. So, call it as an BC. And write down the measure, what the measure we have taken. Now, what is the side measurement here? 5 cm. Now, from compass, you take down 5 cm, children. Now you can observe it is 5. Okay. Now from point B, cut an arc. Okay. What is the next measurement? You check it out. It is 6 cm. Take out 6 cm from the scale. Now this is 6. Okay. Now from point C, cut an arc on the previous arc. Where both the arcs will cut, call that point as an A. Okay. Now join AB and AC. Now the first part has finished. We have constructed a triangle with the given measure. Now what is the next step? Constructing the similar triangle. For that what you have to do? You have to make one ray, okay, BX, which makes an acute angle with BC line. Okay, so this is BX ray. Now check your fraction. 7 by 5. What is the highest number there? 7. So you should do 7 divisions, children, equal divisions. Take 1 centimeter. Okay. So from point B, cut an arc with 1 centimeter. Call that point as an B1. Again B1 as a center, and with the same measure cut one more arc. Like that you cut 7 arcs, children. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, name them as, already B1 we have marked. It is B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now again you have to check the fraction. What is the down number you have to take? 5 is the down number. So this number should be joined. One thing you have to keep in mind, always denominator is joined to the C point. So the denominator part of a fraction, what you are having, that should be joined. B5 should be joined to C. Now, what is the next step you have to do means, you have to extend BC line. Just extend this line. And call this point as a C dash. Okay. What you have to do? BC line you should extend up to C dash. Now, with the 1 centimeter measurement only, lesser than that, cut an arc here at B5. At which point? At B5. With the same measure at B7, you cut an arc. Clear? Now, take the measure between this point and this point. Now, from this point, cut an arc with the same measure. Where that point is cutting, mark down that point, join B7 for that and extend the line. See, where this line meets your BC dash, that point will be, okay, actually C dash this one you make it as an MY. Clear children? Okay. Now again, even this side also you have to do the same procedure. Here you have to extend the line. Okay, so this will be on Z. Now, where you have to find the here, for this line we have to draw one more parallel line. For that, what you have to do? Angular measurements you should make. Cut an arc with a suitable measure. With the same measure at C dash you cut an arc. Now measure this distance. This distance you should take. The same thing should be cutted on this point. Okay, mark down this point. With C dash you join that point and extend up to AZ line. See, where it means it will be over A dash. Now we got the similar triangle construction. See here, C dash is lying outside and A dash is lying outside. Okay. So once again I will explain children. First, what the measure of sides they are given with that one triangle construction you make done. This is the construction we have done. Then check the scale factor. In that bigger number on BX line you have to cut with an equal level. Okay. Then whatever the number that is present in a denominator part, that should be joined with C, whether it is a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Join it. Now these 2 points are left. For that you have to extend BC line up to Y. Then after, a line should be drawn parallel to BC line, which is BC dash. The same procedure is followed at this point and we are doing C dash A dash. Now A dash B C dash is the required similar triangle. Okay children. Now we will take one more problem here. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So here what is given? Isosceles triangle construction is given. Base they have given and altitude only they have mentioned. First you should know what is the altitude. Altitude is nothing but a perpendicular height from a vertex to the base. Okay. So now what is the procedure we should follow means just baseline you draw. Then on perpendicular we have to construct. Above that perpendicular we have to cut a 4 centimeter length. Okay. So what is the base of the isosceles triangle? See, this is 8 centimeter you should draw. Here on perpendicular should be constructed. On that 4 centimeter then joining. Clear? So let us start constructing. What is the baseline? You check it out. 8 centimeter. Mark down 8 centimeter there. Draw a line. Okay, call it as an ABC. How to construct the perpendicular children? For that what you have to do? You have to take more than half. Okay, up one cut, down one cut. With the same measure from point C, up one cut, down one cut. Okay, draw one dotted line to join them. So the point it is making. From this point, you draw the perfect line upward. Now what is the next step? What is the height of the altitude? 4 centimeter. So measure 4 centimeter from a compass. Okay. Now from point, call this point as M, midpoint as M. With M as a center and radius 4 centimeter, cut an arc. Where the arc and perpendicular bisects, that will be your point A. Join AB and AC now. Okay, construction over. Now we are having a scale factor in terms of a mixed fraction. Convert it. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. So it is 3 by 2. What is the highest number in a fraction? 3. So draw a acute angle here. How many divisions we should make? 3 divisions. With 2 centimeters you take down. Three cuts you make out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now join. I already said you have to join the down part. Okay. This will be B1, B2 and B3. So which part you have to join? B2 you should join for C. Join B to C. Okay, now what is the next step? You have to extend BC line. Okay, even extend this line also. This is X, this is Y, and this will be Z. Clear? Now what is the next thing? For this line we have to draw a parallel line. How to draw that? Same procedure. We shoot a middle measure from point B to cut an arc. With the same measure, with B3 as a center, cut an arc. Now measure out the distance between these 2 points. Now from this point, cut an arc. Now this point and this point should be joined and extended. Okay.